Hi there, in this video I will show you how to make graph on Figma. So for this I am here on figma.com. So first of all we need to create a rectangle here in which we will create a graph. So for rectangle I will click on the rectangle here and I will draw a rectangle like this. Once the rectangle is created, now we want to add a graph. So for this I will go to pen option and here I will draw a graph like this. And now create a straight line which will end this point and also at the end point there. So I will draw a one dot here and the other one here. So now the graph is completed. Now we want to add a curves here. So for that I will click on this option here and now we add a click where we want to add a bend effect. I want to bend this one, then this one, then this one here. And also you can change in the location of the bend, like the bend is over the left side, so I want to balance this like this. Again I will add a bend here. Okay, so now the graph is added. Now to make it colorful, what I will do is I will click on the minus option of stroke and I will go to fill and here I will click on this color and now I will add a darker color, or you can go with the color that you like. So I think I can go with this blue. Okay, now here we have this blend mode, so you can choose the one which you want to go with. So I will go with darken here. Okay, now click on this cross option. Here we have the effect option. Click on effect and here we have drop down at shadow. So I will go with inner shadow here and now you can see the graph is created. Now you can add text according to your need. So if I say I will add an arrow here and then I will add a text which will be $100. Then I will add another text here which will be $80. Then I will add another text which will be here. I will add to $40 and then I will add another text which can be $20. Okay, so in this way you can create a graph on Figma. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe our channel. See you guys in the next one. Bye.